The D500 is a resurrection of Nikon's semi-pro, top-end APS-C line. As the much-anticipated replacement of the D300S, it does not disappoint. The D500 features a 153-point autofocus system, 99 of which are cross-type. The autofocus points are linked to a 180,000 pixel metering sensor, providing class-leading subject tracking. With continuous shooting speeds of 10 frames per second and a 200-shot RAW buffer, the D500 is aimed at action photographers who don't mind the smaller APS-C sensor format and might even appreciate the extra reach. SnapBridge, a continuously connected Bluetooth wireless system, makes for simple image transfer to a smart device. Other features we love about the D500 include excellent dynamic range and high ISO image quality, a tilting 2.3 million dot touchscreen, and the addition of an autofocus fine-tune auto-adjustment system for calibrating lenses. The D500 can capture 4K ultra-high-definition video, but it has a crop factor of 2.25 times. Another thing to note is that there's no built-in flash. The Nikon D500 is aimed at enthusiast photographers, but its impressive autofocus coverage and tracking, low light performance, speed and accuracy mean that it should prove equally useful to many professionals. For more information about the Nikon D500 and all things photographic, head to dpreview.com.
The 80D is Canon's newest enthusiast-level DSLR. As a follow-up to the 70D, the 80D is well-rounded and easy to use. It sports a new 24-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, which offers much better dynamic range and low-light performance than the 70D or 7D Mark II. The 80D has a new 45-point autofocus system with cross-type points. The center point is more sensitive to help focus in very low-light situations. The 80D is well-designed with a durable, weather-resistant body that's very easy to hold. It has a shutter rated to 100,000 cycles and should stand up well in typical use. Other features we love about the 80D are the fully articulated touchscreen, built-in Wi-Fi, and continuous autofocus in live view and movie capture modes. The quality of its HD footage is good, and its user-friendly design makes it easy to capture decent-looking video. It also offers some of the best autofocus during video capture of any DSLR. The 80D is a great choice for enthusiasts seeking a still and video hybrid camera for documenting everyday life. For more information about the Canon 80D and all things photographic, head to dpreview.com.